What's up, everyone? Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good midnight, good whatever it is, wherever you are at. It's your boy again this evening, David, live from IFX. I'm here this evening to say one or two things, and what I'm here to do is to see, if anybody have any question regarding forex trading, regarding the cryptocurrency, regarding the stock market. You want to ask me any question, I'm open to answer. You get it? So I'm open to my answer whatsoever it is that wants to ask me anything related to forex trading, related to cryptocurrency, related to the capital market, related to stock, bond, indexes, commodities. I'm open to answer. So I think I should be waiting for people to ask whatever question they want to ask. Many people don't know what forex trading is. You understand? And millions of people believe that forex trading is a scam. Millions believe that forex trading it's a fraud. You get it? Millions believe that forex trading is something that they do to manipulate people. I'm so sorry, people that I didn't come online for a very long time. I'm so sorry. I'm not making excuse. I lost my dad last week Friday, and it burns between me every single time that I remember it. So it's not a good memory. I love my dad so much. I never knew that this his day will come that soon. My dad is 80 years old. You get it? My dad is 80 years old, and I lost him. This is not something that I'm proud of. I'm not really happy that I lost my dad. It breaks my heart every time that I think of it. It's so painful. You get it? So this is one of the reasons, I have to do many things. I have to go to many places. I have to make sure that some things happen just to, take care, me and my brothers, my elder brother, my junior brothers, just to make sure that my dad, is okay. But it was quite unfortunate. There's nothing anybody can do about that. And it bonds between me. Whenever I remember it, I'm not happy about it, because my dad, I lost my mom 17 years ago, and I lost my dad, just of recent. And believe me, people, I lost my dad last week Friday. It's not even up to a week yet, but honestly, I can really feel the pain, because one of my biggest inspiration in my life is my dad. You get it? My biggest inspiration in my life is my dad. My dad did a lot of things in my life. My dad contributed a lot of things to my life, and I can't really believe that, he's gone just like that. You get it? He celebrated his 80 years birthday last week, August, and everything just bombarded my head. I never believed that he would go that soon, because I thought that I would see him again, that he would come, that he would come down here to Canada. I was thinking that I would bring him here, so me and him would see, and I hug him. I let him know that, Daddy, I love you more than what you think. But I'm so sorry. He just go like that, and I'm not really happy about it. May God rest his soul. Daddy, may you rest in love in Jesus Christ's name, amen. So this is what I just want to say to everyone. Please, I'm open to questions. I'm open to questions. If you want to know anything about the forex market, if you need a market forecast, I'm here for you. You could go ahead and ask me. If you need whatever it is about forex trading that you need, please just let me know. I believe that I could help you. I believe that from my own philosophy and my own calculation, I believe that we could work something really good out, and I believe you'll definitely appreciate it. Get it? I believe you definitely appreciate it. So, people, for now, since I'm not seeing anybody, I'm not really expecting much, but at least if there's one person that shows love, I really appreciate it. But maybe people are busy right now, but I still appreciate it. At least I was able to do this. I believe many people are going to see this message and they're going to pass it along to other people. Okay, this is what David said. This is what IFX said. He said he's open to questions and answer for anybody that's, that want to know some things about the Forex market. You get it? Or he wants to trade cryptocurrency, want to trade Forex trading, and the guy is just on to answer people, and he's really, he's really just tell me what you think about this. Just let me know what you think. And I did some forecasts like a month ago, and those forecasts actualized themselves, exactly as I forecasted, exactly as price action, calculation said, and I'm really happy about that. You understand? Exactly as the price action calculation said. You understand? And I'm really happy about that, just like I said. So people are really appreciate, everyone's love concerning this. If there's any question, please try to mail me. You'll see my email address. I'll definitely, write it and, post it with this video again. And just let me know what you think about the things that I say. And let me know if there's any way that I could help. So people, stay safe, trade wise. Don't be greedy, God help us all. And always wear your nose mask. Please don't make that mistake. Always wear your nose mask. Coronavirus is real. Get it? It's very real. So stay, trade safe, trade wise. Don't be greedy. God bless us all. Have a good one. Thanks.